I'm going to show you how to install a gate latch. So the tools I'm going to use are a drill, jigsaw, some safety gear, a ruler, some screws and a drill bit, masking tape and a pencil, along with some sandpaper and of course the gate latch. So the first thing we need to do is establish where on the gate we want to position the latch and ensure that when it is fitted it will latch correctly, engage and be able to be locked. On this particular gate we have a metal frame. We'll position the bar just towards the end of the gate. So now we've got the bar in position, we'll close the gate and just ensure that the latch engages correctly. I'm going to mark the screw points with a texter, which I find is a little easier when marking against metal. Now I've established where we want to position the bar on the metal frame, just a hint, use some masking tape to attach it and keep it straight for when you drill and attach that bar. Because this is a metal gate, I'm going to use self-tapping metal screws, and before I do that, drill a small pilot hole just to make sure that they go in straight. So now we've drilled our pilot holes, it's time to fit the bar with our metal screws. Again, line up the catch with the bar as you did previously and make sure that you're happy with the position and that the latch will engage fully when the gate's closed. Now we're happy with the position of the catch, we can mark out the screw points using a pencil. Now the latch position is established, I'm just going to pilot hole before screwing the latch to the post. Now we've fitted the latch, all we need to do is cut an access point so that we can open the gate from the outside. I'm going to use a roll of masking tape to provide a curve on my timber, just like that. And then with a straight edge, just complete the shape, ready to cut. So now we're ready to cut the access point using a jigsaw. So now we've cut part of the access point to the gate, we just need to create the curve cut. I've cut a straight line up to the end of the curve, and now I'm going to create a small wedge just so that I can turn the jigsaw blade and complete the cut to finish the gate access. Okay, now we've finished our access point, we just have to use a bit of sandpaper to make sure that you're not going to get splinters from the hole that we've created. That's the access point finished and the gate latch fixed.